Hi there, welcome to the AWS tutorial series. In this series, I'll walk you through how you can create a Amazon Glacier. So what is Amazon Glacier? It is a storage service optimized for infrequently used data for data archival or data backup. So you can store your data for years and decades. So once you're on the services page, click on the Glacier. That will take you to the Glacier page and click on the create vault. So over here you can specify which region if you want, or you can just click on the vault name as AWS tutorial series and click on next. So over here, if you want to send you notifications, you can enable those notifications. I don't need it as of now, so I'm just gonna choose to not enable notifications. Then click on next step. As you can see, it's hosted on the US West region and the vault name is AWS tutorial series, and click on submit. That's it. So now you can use your vault to store or backup any data. So you just learn how you can create an Amazon Glacier vault in just 2 minutes.